Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design corkscrew in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. Here is a millimeter unit, so ensure select in millimeter gram second. All dimension are in millimeter. Here is section view from here, from view. So this shape have a shape like a cylinder. So we can make this with feature. The name is revolve boss or base. So first, right click on front plane and click sketch. Now draw center line from this to the top like this. Then we can do set for dimension here to here and total height in 75 millimeter. So just here in 75 millimeter. Then draw a line here to here like this. Can set for dimension this line to this center line. Here have M5 by 2.8 thread here, so diameter here in 5 millimeter like this. Now we can to set for dimension this line have line in 29.5 millimeter like this. Now we can do draw line again from this point to this and to this like this. Then set for dimension this point to this point have distance in 1 millimeter, and this point to this center line have diameter in, you can see here diameter in 1 millimeter. So make in here in 1 millimeter. Don't forget to set for angle in here. This line, click shift on your keyboard, click the center line. Here total angle in 3.87 like this. Then in here have our arc radius in 33.04. So make 3-point arc in here. Connect this point to this point like this. Before we can to set for dimension this point to this point have sent in 38 millimeter. So hit here in 38 millimeter. Then here have radius in 33.04 millimeter like this. After we make sketch like this and input all dimension, just click feature and select or click revolve boss or base. Just click yes. Then automatically axis of revolution this line or line 1 center line. Just click OK like this. And in here have chamfer 0.5 by 45 degree. So just select chamfer and chamfer type mesh and angle distance. Here change in 0.5 millimeter and angle in 45 degree. Just click this edge and click OK. Now here have a thread M5 by 0.8. So we can to make thread with feature. Click thread and click OK. Oh, ensure for specification in here. For type, ensure select in type die and size in M5 by 0.8. Then we can see in here. For the thread location, just click this edge. And here we can to apply on offset of this thread. For example, I set in 2 millimeter to the top like this. Here I set an offset so that the thread like a nut can be installed in here. So I set offset in 2 millimeter to the top, and condition just you can blind. Now total thread in here length in 10.5, but in here we can set offset, so 10.5 plus 2 is 12.5 millimeter like this. Thread method ensure in card thread. Okay, after the set on the threads, just click OK and done like this. For end of tree in here, we can right click on this face and click sketch. Then we can to convert entities, click feature and click extrude cut. Now direction we can to change in through all. Click OK for and treat in here like this. After we make treat in here, we can to make this screw like side like screw in here. So distance here to here in 45 millimeter. So we must to make new plane. Click plane and turn first reference, just select top plane in here. Set distance offset in 45 millimeter. Just click OK. Now we have a plane in here. Right click on this plane and click sketch. Just draw circle in here. Diameter in here, outer in 12.55. Set it here in 12.55 millimeter. After we make circle like this from here, just select feature and click curve and select helix and spiral. Now for define by, ensure select in pitch and revolution, parameter constant pitch, and here pitch in here in 9 mm. So just input here in 9 millimeter. And for revolution in here, 4.5 revolution. So in here 4.5 enter. Okay, direction ensure to below in here. So we can to check this in reverse direction. And start angle we can make in 0 degree. After we set like this, just click OK and done. Now we can hide this plane and right click and click hide. So we must to make a corner rectangle from this point, from here this point. So right click on right plane and click sketch. Draw corner rectangle here to here. Ensure this point, click control and this helix and spiral just like in make push. Like this. And we can set for dimension. Here have thickness in 1 millimeter, so in here in 1 millimeter. Then we can do drag in here like this and set for distance. This to this center we can set in, for example, 0.01 like this. We cannot to apply coincidence with this center because if we make a spiral here, it will be error. So we can to set for gap in 0.01 millimeter. For example, just click OK. After you select like this, click feature and select swipe boss or base. Now for profile and path, ensure to select in sketch profile, and for sketch, just click this rectangle, and for path, click helix and spiral like this, and click OK and done. We can hide for this spiral. Right click on this line and click hide. Now is the side like this. But in here for the top view like this, have a side like this. So right click on top line and click sketch. In here like this. We can draw circle. This and this. First circle in here have diameter in 2 millimeter. So I put here in 2 millimeter. Outer circle sets in 12.55 millimeter like this. Then we can to make line, set line or choose line, draw from this center to this point or this circle like this. Ensure this line, right click and click make vertical. Then we can to make center line, this center to the top in here to this point. Now we can to make circle from here, from center line, Ensure this point of circle and click the center line. Click make coincident. Now here have radius 4.37, so diameter in 8.74. So set this circle diameter in 8.74 millimeter, like this. And ensure here with the circle make tangent. So click the circle and click Control and select this circle. Just click make tangent. This. Then here have another circle, have radius in 3.38, so diameter in 6.676. Right? Okay, here make circle diameter in 6.76 millimeter because radius in 3.38, so diameter in 676. And ensure click the circle. I click Control on your keyboard. Just click the circle. Click make tangent. Then click this circle and click Control and click this circle. Click make tangent. Like this. Now after we make sketch like this and input all dimension, just trim entities for this and this line. Sorry, we can Control Z. First, we can trim entities for this and this line, this line, this line, and this line. Sorry, we can trim this, this, and this, like this. We can right click on this dimension and click delete. Now here not error, radius in 6.28 because in here in 12 point range, like this. It's okay, not problem. The shape like this, we just need sketch like this. Then we can to click feature and click extrude cut. Direction we can to reverse in the top, but direction here change in up to next. We just erase or cut in this until this, not to the top, just here. So ensure select direction in up to next and click OK. Now for shape like this, in here like this. Then don't forget to set for fillet. All unspecified corner radius in are 1 millimeter. So select fillet in here and in 1 millimeter, just like this edge and this edge, like this, 1 millimeter, and click OK. And then we can to change for appearances. For example, in edit material, you can set maybe in alloy steel or SS. Click apply and click close. And we can to change for the branches in here, maybe in metal and polystyrene, like this. And then it's finished. It's perfect for beginners, intermediate. How to design corkscrew in SolidWorks with helix and spiral feature in SolidWorks. Thank you for watching the video. I apologize if there are any mistake or errors in this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.